In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Forms that can be filled out directly in an email. This will make your data collection process more efficient and seamless, allowing respondents to fill out forms without needing to open a separate browser window. First, let's begin by navigating to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Drive. Once there, ensure you're logged into your Google account to access all your Google tools. Now look towards the top of the page and locate the Apps button, which might appear as a grid icon. By clicking this, you'll find a collection of Google applications available to you. Next, select Forms from the list of applications. Clicking on this will take you to the Google Forms page, where you either can select from an array of form templates or choose one that you've previously created. If you're selecting a form from your existing documents, ensure that it matches the purpose you have in mind. Once you've chosen or created your form, the next step is to set it up for sharing. Locate the Share button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this opens up a window where you can enter the email addresses of individuals you want to send the form to. Make sure you correctly type in their addresses to avoid any issues with delivery. It's crucial that the form settings are adjusted correctly. Ensure that the form isn't restricted to only those within your organization unless you intend this. This setting can be found within the sharing permissions on the same page where you've entered the email addresses. Make sure the option to allow anyone with the link to respond is enabled for broader accessibility. Equally important is notifying people that you've shared the form with them. This is typically done with a little checkbox within the sharing settings, which, when ticked, will send a notification to their email about the form. Finally, with all these settings in place, go ahead and click the Send button. It's positioned in the same window where you adjusted your sharing settings. Once sent, anyone you've emailed can answer the form questions directly from their email client. This method is an excellent way to streamline the data collection process, as it reduces the steps required for respondents to complete the form, ultimately increasing response rates. And that's it. You've successfully sent a Google form directly through email, making it incredibly easy for respondents to provide their input. I hope you found this guide helpful and you can start using this feature to enhance your data gathering processes today. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.